at Gateway Toyota, we strive to provide only the best service to get you on your way safely and quickly. Our services include everything, from the simple such as oil changes, tire replacements, performance part upgrades to full engine rebuilds. We are your one-stop service department for all your Toyota needs. Our mechanics are trained and certified to give you the very best service that you expect.
Hi, my name's Eric May, and I'm the service manager here at Gateway Toyota. And we have the largest team of master technicians in Ocean County.
You can easily schedule an appointment right on our website for all your needs. So, we look forward to meeting you and servicing your car soon. Make an appointment today.